In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the Google Authenticator app with Binance so you can improve your security on Binance. Alright, so first of all, you open up Binance and make sure you're logged in. And after it is fully loaded, you tap on your profile picture up here. Scroll down till you get to security, tap it. And then you tap Google Authentication /Binance. So you have this option here, you just tap this to enable it. Alright, so we have these options here. These are different Authenticator app. I recommend using Google Authenticator, so I'll leave a link to it in the description. So just tap link, or you can go through this tutorial by tapping on this arrow, but for me, I'll just tap skip tutorial. And as you can see, a code has been generated plus a QR code. Now these codes should be kept safe, shouldn't be seen by anyone. I'll be creating a new one after I'm done with this video. That's why I'm making it visible. So just tap copy, and now that it says copy successful, you go back to Google Authenticator, then you tap this plus button down here, tap enter a setup key, and then you paste the key that you copied from Binance. Next you enter a name, so you call it Binance just to make sure you recognize it, and then you can leave this on the way it is and you tap add. So as you can see, a new code has been generated. Oh, another one has just been generated, and that's how it's going to keep generating new codes, so that whenever you want to log in from a new device, sometimes from the same device, it's going to ask you for the code just to make sure you haven't been hacked. So I'm going to long press on this code to copy it. Now quickly head back to Binance and tap link. Alright, so before I copy the code from the Authenticator app, since it is constantly changing, first I'm going to request for an SMS and then a code sent to my email. Okay, so I just got the code, paste it, then I'll go to my email, now paste the code I got from my email. Now I'm going to head back to Authenticator, and so that I can get the code that I can paste here. Okay, now I can copy this code by long pressing on it, and then I'll head over to Binance and paste the code, and now I can tap submit. As you can see, it has been turned on. So whenever you try to log into Binance, it's going to ask you for the 2FA code, so you have to always go back to Google Authenticator to copy the code, the 6-digit code, and whenever you want to withdraw or just to log in, you're going to have to input the code. So that's how you do it. If you found the video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have questions, leave them in the comments and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Thank you for watching.